Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to fix Discord stuck on gray or black screen. So this is happening when you are playing a game while using Discord or you are watching someone else stream. So I have these options to fix this problem. So first option is update Discord and graphic drivers. Ensure that your Discord app and your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause performance issues. Now the second solution is, now first of all, go to Task Manager and type Discord like this, Discord, and try to end the task. So after that, click on the start on your Windows and write run. Now open it, and after that write this command percent symbol app data and percent symbol. Now click OK. Now after that go to the Discord folder from here and delete it. So after you delete this folder, try to open the app, and it will open and download some file and it will work fine. So if this solution doesn't work for you, the third solution is check background process. Now how to check background process is by checking this task manager and close any unnecessary high high consuming background process while using Discord, as they may affect the app's performance when switching tasks. So the other solution is we will try to run the app Discord as administrator. So how to do that? So first of all, right click on it and go to properties. So after that, go to compatibility and check this option called run this program as administrator. Check it and click apply and OK, and this will fix your problem.